Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word retaliating. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After being insulted by her classmate, Sarah considered retaliating with a rude comment of her own. Retaliating means responding to an attack, insult, or injury by deliberately causing harm or inconvenience to the person who originated it. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.